Every day, the world relies on coatings to protect what matters most: the bridges that connect us, the equipment that powers industry, the buildings where we work and live. But as expectations for performance and sustainability rise, so do the challenges. At Syensqo Coatings Laboratory, science meets the real-world needs. Here we develop solutions that last longer, perform better, and contributes to a safer and more sustainable future. Now, let's take a closer look of how we are addressing those topics here in our labs. Hello, others! In Syensqo, durability is a central pillar in our sustainability mission. Can you show us how we are pushing durability even further?
Sure. Our customers are looking for solutions to go from solvent-based to waterborne coatings in order to develop safer and more eco-friendly products, but without compromising the performance. In order to help them, we are developing a whole range of advanced emulsifiers and specialty monomers. The performance begins here, in the synthesis of the binder by emulsion polymerization. After polymerization, we do the paint formulation. By creating real samples of paint, we can evaluate the performance of our products in the real application. To further evaluate performance, we use a state-of-the-art equipment like neutral solvent spray, condensation chamber to evaluate corrosion resistance and water resistance, like in this case. We also evaluate the performance of our paint samples in a room that is controlling temperature and humidity in order to make sure that we provide reliable and reproducible results. Here, automated tools allow us to measure precisely corrosion and adhesion after the different tests, and the idea is to make sure that our developments stand up to real-world challenges. Leveraging these capabilities, we are able to co-innovate with our customers and to deliver solutions that are tailored for their specific needs.
Hello, Veronique.
Hi, Julia.
Safety is a growing concern in the chemical industry, and paintings and coatings are no exception. Can you show us how we are making paintings and coatings safer?
For sure. Here in our labs, we are developing additives. Additives specifically designed for waterborne paint formulators. So our additives are eco-label compliance, AP-free, PFAS-free, but also have a very low level of VOC. And this is helping our customers to reach the highest level in terms of sustainability and safety. This is our newest equipment based on a special diffusing wave spectroscopy. And with this equipment, we can monitor and follow very precisely the drying process in real time. For example, we have demonstrated that using this technique and using our Rhodolan OT range of additive, we can extend the open time by several minutes without using glycols. We are also developing green solvents as part of our Rhodasol range. This is our MFFT equipment. By incorporating our Rhodasol coalescing agent in waterborne paint formulation, we can decrease the minimal film formation temperature of our waterborne coatings. And by doing that, we are ensuring that the final users, but also our direct customers, can offer and can handle safer paint and more sustainable, even in challenging conditions like low temperature application.
But we are not stopping here. Digitalization is the heart of progress. Our automated reactors ensure reproducible results, real-time monitoring, and data recording that enables precise analysis. And by sharing our database with our global network, we foster collaboration and accelerate innovation. Hope you have enjoyed the tour today. Let's co-innovate and shape the future together.